Network Analyst, How to Become, Skills and Career Guide. Introduction to Network Analyst.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
The basis of business operations in today's digitized first world is computer networks, which facilitate resource management, data sharing, and communication. To effectively and safely manage these networks, particular knowledge is needed. In this scenario, network analysts are useful. Network analysts are important for the development, maintenance, and improvement procedure of network systems for companies of all sizes. They guarantee that channels of communication stay protected and open, enabling businesses to grow in a technically advanced configuration. This section will describe what a network analyst does, how to become one, and the skills needed to begin preparing for network analyst interview questions. What is a network analyst? A network analyst is an IT specialist responsible for supervising and boosting a company's computer systems. They ensure that the network infrastructure is secure, reliable, and trying to operate at optimum efficiency. Network analysts frequently work collaboratively with cybersecurity experts, network activity, administrators, and IT teams to monitor, diagnose problems, and utilize notifications in business needs. Primary functions of a network analyst: planning and designing network infrastructure, monitoring network performance and identifying bottlenecks, troubleshooting and resolving network issues, ensuring network security through firewalls and encryption, keeping up with the latest networking trends and technologies. Key duties of a network analyst: generating safe and effective network structure, network performance monitoring, diagnosing and resolving issues, documenting network configurations, collaboration with IT teams. Why is the role of a network analyst important? Businesses depend mostly on complicated networks to run their operations. For channels to hold steady, secure, and perform well, network analysts play an important role. 1. Ensuring data security. Protecting sensitive material is of greatest priority due to the rise in cyber attacks. To protect data, network analysts install security measures into place. 2. Maximizing productivity. Network downtime can disrupt business operations. Analysts ensure minimal interruptions by proactively addressing issues. 3. Optimizing network performance. They identify inefficiencies and recommend upgrades to improve system performance. 4. Assisting in the growth of the economy. Companies can grow operations with easiness once they have efficient and reliable network infrastructure. What are necessary abilities for network analysts? Network analysts need to improve their technical knowledge and problem-solving skills to achieve success. Technical skills: network protocols, troubleshooting, security, cloud networking, network monitoring tools. Soft skills: analytical thinking, communication, problem-solving, attention to detail. How to become a network analyst? 1. Get a degree that's appropriate. A solid foundation in networking principles can be obtained with a degree in computer science, information technology, or a comparable discipline. 2. Get practical experience. Start by taking on entry-level positions like network technicians or help desk representatives. Real-world experience is priceless. 3. Earn industry-recognized certifications. Certifications validate your skills and improve job prospects. Consider the following: CompTIA Network Plus, ideal for foundational networking knowledge. Cisco Certified Network Associate, CCNA, a popular certification for network professionals. Cisco Certified Network Professional, CCNP, advanced certification for experienced network analysts. 4. Develop technical expertise. Learn to use essential tools and technologies such as network monitoring software, routers, and switches. 5. Stay updated. Networking technology is always changing. Attend training sessions and keep up with industry advancements to stay up to date.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprint Seal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.